going, guys?
Yeah, good. Not really, though.
Bevan, you're wearing a funny looking outfit.
Oh, no, I'm going parachute.
You're going parachuting?
Yeah.
What would you want to do that for? Your missus has got it for you, or what?
Yeah.
Trying to get rid of him, are we, or what?
No, he just something he wants to do.
Birthday present?
Birthday present.
Yesterday.
Birthday yesterday.
Happy birthday.
Just want to do it. Do this.
You'll be fine, mate. I'll look after you. Let's go, eh? Give us a thumbs up.
By the roadside, a man under a tree, illegally with his squealing knees. Got think I'm on some killing spree. Now what you gonna do? No one here for us to turn to. Now what you gonna do? No one here for us to turn to.
Julian.
Hey, happy birthday, mate.
Thanks, Ma. What about this?
Pretty cool, eh, that cloud?
Oh, look at that.
Nice.
Oh.
Landing area down here.
Oh. Where is it?
Don't get go hard right. Have it left hand up, right hand down. Harder do a 360.
That was awesome.
Very nice one, guys. Thanks for coming. You alright? Give us a wave, eh? Nice one, Bevan.
Hey, Julian.
I'd survive on just one smile. I'd explode with just one kiss to understand what it is like. An unbelievable state of bliss.